morning to day 53. Lots of meetings today. Fingers crossed the walls are going to get finished off today. As you can see now, the lights on it, you can see LCD. The main infrastructure being dug out now, where the actual columns are going to sit down, so that we don't have protruding columns sitting out of the ground. So guys working on the walls to finish off the tops. What they're doing over there. Probably labourers about moving over there, and obviously out over there. These boys mixing cement all day, tidying up around the walls to get those replastered. They're all going to be plastered today as well. So, and obviously, as I said last night, the main porch area dug out for the main door as well, which is good. Today I'm going to have a meeting with the site manager in a minute to find out what the plan is. I would assume that pretty much like I said last night, they're going to finish off this wall here, move the electrics today, finish off plastering the walls. Back wall is done. That's now dry. So yeah, at the moment, prepping up, finishing off. And then obviously steel on the floor at some stage. Tomorrow I would have thought. They've got to put a 2-inch blinding down first and roll that, and then put a DPM sheeting down. And then the rebar will start with the smocks and pouring of concrete. 5 o'clock, and unfortunately I rained off. Day 52, 53, what are we on? Don't know. But anyway, this morning recorded, very hot, close on getting a sunburn within 20 minutes. And what a difference an hour makes. It pretty much started raining about 11 o'clock, and technically rained off. So quite a bit of water again on the plot, which is not ideal. So yeah, no one working unfortunately at the moment. So hopefully we're not going to lose too many days like that, but it is rainy season after all. So what did the guys do today? Well, they wouldn't have got done a great deal. They were trying to pour the wall and cap the wall. So if you see what I mean by here, look, they managed to get the boxing on, managed to get some of the concrete poured. There's the top pillars they actually poured. Not ideal, but not major, it's going to be rendered anyway. And they managed to get some of this done, so I'm assuming they managed to get most of it poured on top. I think they've actually stopped about here. The rain just hindered the whole thing, so they'll obviously run that. Once they've done that, they plaster that right up to the top like they've done the wall at the back. So anyway, that's about it. Great deal done apart from that due to the rain, unfortunately. So here's to tomorrow.